What's the meaning of bomb disposal? Bomb disposal. Bomb disposal.
Bomb disposal. Bomb disposal. Bomb disposal refers to the process of safely defusing or disposing of explosive devices, such as bombs or improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The aim of bomb disposal is to prevent the detonation of the device and reduce its potential harm to people and property. A successful bomb disposal operation can result in the neutralization of the explosive device with no injuries or damage caused. However, failure to properly dispose of a bomb can result in loss of life and extensive damage to structures and infrastructure. Bomb disposal requires specialized training, equipment, and procedures to ensure the safety of the disposal team, bystanders, and the surrounding area.